Hi everyone. The other day I got a request from Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs to do a blooming onion in the air fryer. I thought about doing it in the past but read too many stories that it can be difficult to do in the air fryer. But since Timmy asked, I had to try it, and I'm so glad I did because this turned out great. As you can see, I ate probably half of it already, if not more. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is cut the top off about an inch. Okay, now I'm going to take off the peel. Okay, I got this onion peeled and I moved you over to the other side since I'm right-handed. Now we're going to cut off this root. Just enough to cut it off. We don't want to go up here. We just want to cut the root off. Just like that. Now we need to core the onion about an inch in diameter, but you do not want to go all the way through. Probably about 3/4 of the way. I'm going to try my apple core. Awesome. Remember, we do not want to go all the way through. Sweet. I'm going to try to cut out that core in the middle. Just going to grab my paring knife and get as much of that out as I can without going through the bottom. Okay, I got most of that out. I'm not going to worry about that little bit that's on the bottom. Okay, here comes the exciting part. We need to cut this onion up. I'm going to go right down the middle. Remember, we do not want to go all the way through, about 3/4 of the way. I'm going to call that good. We're going to do like a little cross here. Okay, we got our cross. Now I'm just going to go like through the middle again. I'm going to turn it. Do another cross. Turning at 90 degrees. Okay, I'm going to go through here. Got going here. Go through this one. And we lost a petal. Go through this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm going to cut this one. This is where it gets hard. Okay. Other than this, it's looking good. And my eyes are watering. Now I'm going to gently pull these apart. And I'm going to get some boiling water going. We're going to pop that into the boiling water. That will help these petals to stay open. So I'm going to go ahead and get my boiling water going real quick. Okay, now I'm going to put the onion in boiling water for 1 minute. This will help to keep the petals open, supposedly. Okay, our 1 minute is up. I'm going to take the onion out and put it into the ice water. Okay, I have the onion in the ice water. I'm just going to let it sit here for a little bit. Okay, now into a bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and 1 egg. I'm going to go ahead and whisk this up real quick. Okay, I'm going to cheat today and use an onion ring mix. You can use your own seasoned flour that you like. I'm not sure I'm going to put it all in here to start off with. I think we'll start with about half. Smells good. Okay, now we need to take our onion and put it into the liquid. Put it into our dried mix. And I'm just going to kind of spoon it in here, get in between the petals, just make sure everything is coated. Let's get this size. Just going to flip it over so I can get the outside of this coated. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of flip it upside down and get the loose mix out. Now I'm going to spritz this with some olive oil. Okay, I'm going to start off with that, and if we need to do it some more a little later, we will. Now we need to get this into the basket. And I lost a petal. Okay, everyone, let's go pop this in the air fryer. I'm a little nervous. I will not lie. Okay, I'm going to do 400, and we're going to start off for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make a dipping sauce while I'm waiting for this. I don't really know what I'm going to do here. I'm going to add a couple heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to add about, I don't know how much this adds. Probably about a tablespoon of horseradish sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Paprika for color. A little bit of mustard. And a little bit of salt, not much. Give that a good mix. Make fun of my pink bowl. Okay, I'm going to add some more paprika for color. Whoa. I'm going to go grab my ketchup and put just a little bit of that in there. Give that a quick taste. Add a little bit more horseradish. That's good. Okay, our 10 minutes is up. That's looking nice. So there is some dry flour mixture in the center. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to go ahead and give this another spritz. And I really don't want to go too much longer because this looks done. I'm going to go 3 minutes on 400. That looks good. Okay, let's go plate this up. Okay, now the moment of truth. By the way, this sauce tastes like Burger King zesty sauce. Really good. Now, I'm just noticing some dry spots in here. So if you go to make this, make sure you get it sprayed good with your olive oil or whatever kind of oil you want to use. Other than that, looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try this. I'll try it first without dipping it in the sauce. Comes right off. Good. I'm actually quite surprised. I'm adding this on my list to things to make again. Hey everyone, I hope you found this video helpful. I say if you've been thinking about doing a blooming onion in the air fryer, I say go for it. I think you'll be pleased. Okay everyone, thank you all for watching and I will see you soon.